Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store error that says something happened on our end. First, we need to check the date and time settings on your computer. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Time and Language. Then open Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also, turn on Set Time Zone Automatically. If these options are already on, turn them off. Wait a few seconds and turn them back on. Once done, close Settings. Next, we will reset the Microsoft Store app. This step fixes most store errors. Open Settings again. Go to Apps. Then open Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Scroll down and find the Microsoft Store in the list. Click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and first click on Terminate. After that, click Repair and wait for it to finish. If the problem is still there, click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting will sign you out of the store, but it will not remove your apps. Once the reset is complete, close the Settings window. Now we will clear the Microsoft Store cache using a built-in command. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. Type WS Reset and press Enter. A blank window will open. Wait patiently until the Microsoft Store opens automatically. This can take a few seconds. Once the store opens, try signing in again if needed. Then check if the error message is gone. In most cases, the Microsoft Store should now work normally. Thanks for watching.